Great day. Mabuhay. To every voice talent, speaker, and passionate communicator across the globe who feels an anxious tremor at the rise of artificial intelligence, who worries that technology might one day eclipse your unique sound, your artistry, your soul, this message is for you. To those who have coined the term FOBO, fear of being obsolete, and cling to it as a shield against the unknown future, let me share a new perspective. Listen closely. It's true. If you choose to treat AI as your adversary, if you curse its existence, mock its advances, and label it as the villain in your story, then you have already surrendered. You've raised the white flag before the battle has even begun. You've allowed fear, not progress, to dictate your destiny. But I refuse to surrender. I am Pocholo de Leon Gonzalez, proudly known as the Voice Master of the Philippines. For 3 decades, my life has been woven into the fabric of voice artistry. From the golden age of radio dramas to the intricate world of dubbing, from electrifying performances on grand stages to spontaneous storytelling in bustling streets, from the intimacy of the microphone to inspiring millions of minds, I have lived and breathed the power of voice. Today, I stand at the forefront of a new revolution, the era of AI-powered voice. But let me be clear, this isn't about replacing human talent. It's about elevating it. It's about harnessing technology to expand our reach, to amplify our impact, and to create new possibilities that were once unimaginable. You say you fear AI? I have embraced it, nurtured it, and trained it. You worry it will take over now? I have stepped up to lead, to shape its course, and to ensure that it serves us, not the other way around. Here's the reality. AI will never erase your voice. Only your fear can do that. The real threat is not the rise of machines, but the unwillingness to adapt and evolve. This is not the end of the voice industry. Far from it. This is a renaissance, a rebirth, but only for those who are willing to grow, to learn, and to transform alongside the changing times. Let my journey be your guide. Observe how I navigate this new landscape. I do not wage war against AI, I speak through it. I am the AI voice master, standing boldly at the edge of tomorrow, not trembling at the brink, but ready to soar. To all who still resist, I say, watch, listen, learn, be inspired, or risk being left behind as the world moves forward. Maraming salamat po, and remember, the true voice never becomes obsolete, as long as it is used to awaken minds, to teach hearts, and to change the world for the better. The Voice Master Pioneer of Filipino AI Voices Trailblazer. Visionary, voice for the future.